Hello guys, ito ang Marikina City. Yan ang kanilang sports complex. Nandiyan din ang mga terminal ng jeep going to other places such as Cubio, Antipolo, San Mateo or other places. It used to be the cleanest city. Hindi na ako updated ngayon kung Marikina pa rin ang cleanest city ng Metro Manila. So far naman sa aking observation, malinis pa din at saka organized. I'm not sure kung sino ang mayor ng Marikina City ngayon. Kita niyo naman ang linis, organized, pati yung kanilang mga buildings. Wala pa itong mga building noong nasa Mambugan, Sumulong, Antipolo pa ako nakatira. Dito kami sa bayan ng Marikina na mamalingke. Alala ko pa noon 150 pa lang ang pamasahe noon. That was 1994 to 97 something, 150. Konti pa rin kasi kita noon. I'm just impressed kasi ngayon hindi na masyadong mausok. I think that has to do with Euro 4 na control ang CO2 emission. Although may mga testing center na nalalagyan, pinapasa kahit mausok. May mga napapansin kasi ako anti-dengue ang usok, sobrang mausok talaga. Anyway, that's none of my business, na observe ko lang. Thank you for watching guys, and thank you for your subscription. Hope to see you in the next video.
from London is here. Skip boy, skip it him, skip it him, skip, skip it him, skip it him, skip boy. Remember the days of your bread and water, man. Remember the days of your hunger. But don't forget your roots and the counter. Remember your places shelter. Cause I you deal with warm and you can run far. You deal with guns and got your neck up. Cause I ain't not too body hills and feet in my mental now. Not too body hills. Skip it him, skip it him, skip. Skip it him, skip it him, skip school. Skip it him, skip it him, skip. Skip it him, skip it him.